Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Quiz by Levels. Today, we've got an exciting synonym quiz that's not only fun, but also a great way to learn and grow. Here is the guide for the quiz. Total questions: 15 multiple choice questions. Level: Basic. Time limit: 5 seconds per question. Pause the video if you need more time. Answer and explanation are provided after each question. Before you start, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notification for more fun quizzes. Are you ready? Let's get started. Question 1. What does quickly mean in this sentence? The answer is D. Rapidly, quickly, and rapidly both mean fast. Slowly is the opposite, and lazily and carefully have unrelated meanings. Question 2. What does huge mean in this sentence? The answer is A. Enormous. Huge and enormous both mean very large in size. Tiny is the opposite, while soft and shallow are unrelated to size. Question 3. What does difficult mean in this sentence? The answer is C. Hard. Difficult and hard both mean something that is not easy to do. Easy and simple are opposites, and light refers to weight. Question 4. What does important mean in this sentence? The answer is B. Crucial. Important and crucial both mean something that has great value or significance. Unnecessary, boring, and easy are unrelated. Question 5. What does run out of mean in this sentence? The answer is A. Used all off. Run out of something means to finish, use, or sell all of something so that there is none left. Question 6. What does examine mean in this sentence? The answer is D. Inspect. Examine and inspect both mean to look at something closely and carefully. Question 7. What does broke down mean in this sentence? The answer is C. Stopped working. The phrasal verb break down means that a machine or vehicle stops functioning properly. What does cut back on mean in this sentence? The answer is D. Reduced. Cut back on means to reduce the amount of something, especially spending or consumption. Question 9. What does put off mean in this sentence? The answer is C. Postponed. Put off means to delay or postpone something to a later time. Question 10. What does let someone down mean in this sentence? The answer is B. Disappoint. Let someone down means to fail to meet someone's expectations or to disappoint them. Question 11. What does spill the beans mean in this sentence? The answer is C. Revealed a secret. The idiom spill the beans means to disclose information that was meant to be kept secret. Question 12. What does on cloud 9 mean in this sentence? The answer is A. Very happy. On cloud 9 is an idiom that means extremely happy or joyful. Question 13. What does under the weather mean in this sentence? The answer is B, unwell. Under the weather is an idiom that means feeling sick or unwell. Question 14. What does day in, day out mean in this sentence? The answer is C, every single day. The idiom day in, day out means something happens continuously or regularly every day. Question 15. What does on the level mean in this sentence? The answer is A, honest. The idiom on the level means being honest, sincere, and trustworthy. That's all for the test today. If you are here, congratulations! How many correct answers did you get? Share your score in the comment below. Thank you for watching till the end. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for further quizzes in the future. See you next time.